Hi, welcome to Noreen's Chat. This is just a quick video sharing the May 2024 paper pumpkin. For me, this was my very first paper pumpkin kit that I have ordered and assembled. So I wanted to share this one real fast. I do have it sped up. Overall, it took me 30 minutes to create the entire kit. I love that everything is included, including the adhesive as well as the little ink pad and the stamp set and the little punch outs. Another perk for this kit was even though it was making 3 of each of the cards, for the areas where I was going to be stamping the sentiments, it actually gave me 4 of each of those. So I was able to pick the best 3 and use those for my cards. When you're working with the stamps, and that's pretty much any stamps, the manufacturing process leaves a residue on your stamp. So to kind of get that off, you can either stamp and just stamp off on scrap paper until it gives you a crisp image, or you can rub the stamp on the back of your hand to kind of get a cleaner image, or just wash it like you would wash a used stamp set. Just to get that residue off so it will give you a clear image and the ink has a chance to connect with the stamp. This kit also guided us in adding the tree stamp to the envelopes. And so I went ahead and took care of all of the envelopes in this kit so that they coordinated with the included cards. They also had us use the small little ink pad to distress the edges of some of the papers. And then one of the little perks too is that the instructions show you exactly where to put the adhesives, whether it's going to be the foam, like hexagon shapes that are in there, or it's going to be the little glue dots that were included in this kit. It literally spells it out for you which ones to use and where. And on this card, you'll see that the little blue pieces of paper, we use 2 different adhesives, and that's because you're going to want it raised up dimensional with the dimensional elements in one spot but flat in the other so that it can go next to that circle image that we're adding to the card. As a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you have access to past month's kits as well as the ability to order refills for existing kits. So for example, on this card kit, you already have the stamp and the ink pad, so you don't necessarily need the entire kit to recreate more of these cards, but you could order the refills that go with it so that you could get the envelopes, card bases, the die cuts, etc. So that's another one of those amazing perks with Paper Pumpkin.